Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to be talking about our style guide. To access style guide, you'll open content governance from the menu on the left, then at the top, click style guide, and from here, you can click on create your first guide to get started. Now, you need to make sure that you give your guide a clear name and description. If you want this guide to be your default, which means it will be used automatically across all documents, then you'll check set as default right here, and then click create style guide. Once this is created, you'll go ahead and choose your rules. You can enable them one by toggling them on here, or you can choose the enable all available rules option, and with a single click, depending on your plan, all of the rules will be turned on. These can include punctuation preferences like enforcing Oxford commas, tone and writing style, sentence clarity, engagement guidelines, and formatting rules. Once you're done with that, you'll go ahead and click on Save Changes at the top right, and your style guide is ready to go. To use your style guide while writing, you'll start a new document. If you're using the SEO workflow option, you'll see a content governance dropdown underneath the search query field. From here, you could choose a style guide that you want to use, or any other governance settings that you want to get going. We'll go ahead and click Create the Document. And as you write here, you can look for the governance icon at the top right. That's going to show if your content is meeting your style guide rules. Now, your style guide does work in real time on both your own writing and AI generated text. So let's say I start to write something like, I need a dog, cat, and turtle. You'll see that the governance icon is going to be highlighted now, and you can click it to see an issue like the missing Oxford comma here, or avoiding personal pronouns, since these are rules I set up within my style guide. From here, you can update the text to fix it, ignore the suggestion, or you can click the help icon to learn why the rule actually mattered. Now, this icon updates instantly, so you'll always know when your document is perfectly aligned with your brand. With your style guide in place, you're not just writing, you're enforcing your brand voice at every keystroke. You'll set it up once, and then it'll work for you every time. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at team@frase.io. Thanks.